All right, it's time for us to try out the light controlled DIY car. Now, the first thing we want to do is to get the light level of our environment. And then once when we press button A, the microwave should display on the 5x5 matrix display the light level of the environment. So we'll come to input first and drag out on button A pressed. Then we'll come to basic and drag out show number 0. Then we'll come to input again and then scroll down and drag out light level. So when we press button A, the microbit is going to show the light level of the environment. So let's get the light level of the environment and then use that value to work with the light level controlled car.
Now let's read the light level of the environment of the microbit by pressing button A on the microbit. So it's reading 0 now. If I press, so let me turn on the light. Let's see what it says. It gives us 208, 208. Let's try one more. 208, 208 for the last time. 207. It gave us 207 as the lowest value. So let's drop our threshold value to 200. We are going to use 200 as our threshold value. So if the light level is greater than or equal to 200, then the car should move. Else, the car shouldn't move. Let's make use of the threshold value in our program and then come back to test the light controlled car.
Now that we've gotten our threshold value to be 200, let's work with that. So let's drag the forever block and place it here. Now we're going to come to logic because we're going to be working with conditional statements, and then we're going to be saying that if the light level of the environment is greater than or equal to 200, then the car should move. So we'll come to logic and then drag out if true then else, and then still under logic we'll drag out the comparison block here and place it here. Now we're going to come to input and drag out light level, and then we'll place it here. So change this sign from equal to greater than or equal to, and then we'll change this 0 to 200. Now, if the light level of the environment is greater than or equal to 200, we want the car to drive for a particular number we want the car to drive, and then light level is lesser than 200, then the car should not drive at all, it should stop moving. So we'll come to ring bit car and drag out, go straight at full speed. So when the light level is greater than or equal to 200, the car is going to drive forward at full speed. But what if it is actually lesser than 200? Then the car should stop moving. That's we come to ring bit car and drag out brake and place here. So the car is going to stop moving. Now let's try out the lights controlled DIY car.